This week, the Motorhead crew learn how to upgrade a motorcycle using a Lazer, how to get incredible stereo sound while still keeping your vehicle's vintage looks, and how to haul your car and everything else with tie-down straps you'll actually love to use. Next on Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com.
Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Welcome to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. Now, if you have a motorcycle like this beauty here, maybe you're a motorcycle builder or something like that, you know that having a bike is all about freedom, but it's also about making it your own, and that's through customization. Now, Tony, AP Lazer, how can you help me customize my motorcycle?
Dave, we can personalize it. You can personalize it with an AP Lazer. You can take any kind of image, as long as you make it digital, you can actually lay it on any kind of product.
And talk about any kind of product. There's tons of materials on a motorcycle. So of the materials we see on the bike, what can AP Lazer etch and cut?
We can do leather, we can do metal, acrylics like the windscreen, you can even do your jackets, even get into wood, stone items even. Obviously they won't be on a bike, but it's pretty much limitless as far as what you can engrave.
And what's it like transitioning from material to material? How easy is that to do?
It's just a matter of just changing the speed and power settings, which our technicians can help you.
Let's get specific about this bike. We see on the windscreen there, it came in as a plain Jane, and it looked great.
Yep.
But the owner of the motorcycle wanted to upgrade a little bit.
Yeah, he wanted to personalize it.
Yeah.
He's really big into bluegrass and country music, and so we took some of those aspects and we're going to incorporate them with the bike. Also, had a rough patch in their life, and so there's like kind of a broken road theme that they're going with on the bike, and you'll see some of those kind of elements as we push along on this design.
So effectively, what you've done there is taken just a regular object and made it into something really personal and really special. Yeah. So if you're a builder or a business owner, there's an opportunity right there to give somebody a regular object, but to make it special.
Yeah, so you can take something intangible, like an emotion or a feeling or just a memory, and actually put it on a tangible item, something that they can keep with them all the time.
And here again, just a regular gas cap, and we've made it into something special. What kind of reaction do you get from folks that see just an ordinary object, but you've personalized it and made it special?
It brings nothing but joy, and it actually means more to them after that. Just like this personalization we're doing here. It's just a regular, Heritage Softail, yeah. And now it actually is something that he's gonna keep forever.
And it's a bike he's had for a long time, but now it's going to become special because of the relationship that he has.
Yeah, he was thinking about selling it, but now that we're personalizing it, it's not going anywhere.
And the saddlebag here is another great example of another material. We're taking the leather. This was on the Lazer for all of 5 minutes, if that.
Yeah. And
now it went from just a bag we paid a few bucks for to something that's priceless. AP Lazer is able to do that. What do you tell people that are opening businesses and they want to use the AP Lazer as part of their business? So
you can take your everyday items, just like these right here, and you're going to add that personal touch, whether it's a memory or emotion or an event. You know, every dad's a father, you know, every mother's got kids, you know, all those different things. You know, you can take any kind of image or any kind of graphic, any kind of logo, any kind of text, and lay it on any product. And it's permanent too. It's not going to go away. It's not like we print it on and it's going to buff off after a couple of washes.
Tony, there's a lot of other Lazer brands out there. Why should someone pick AP Lazer?
That's a great question, Dave. It's because we have a patented open architecture where you can fit any size product in the machine. You're not going to be limited to what size box. So even like this full exhaust system here, it'll fit right in the AP Lazer with no problem.
We're going to dive a little deeper into AP Lazer and what makes it tick a little later on in the show. Until then, a whole lot more to come, so stay tuned to Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com.